This isn't a dinosaur, but it sure feels like one. Meet the shoebell, a bird that doesn't blink an eye. It can stand completely still for hours, just taking in the view, waiting for something, observing everything, calculating every move. And when it finally strikes, it's already too late. Its massive beak can crush fish, snakes, and even baby crocodiles. But the real scary part, it's not the size, it's not even the silence, it's the stare. Because right now, it's completely focused on you.